Ever looked at your phone bill and wondered how it's calculated? It's not a random number. It's a simple story told with a mathematical equation, y equals mx plus c. Think of it as a recipe for your bill. The c is your starting point, the fixed monthly fee you pay no matter what. In graphing, that's the y-intercept. The m is the rate of change, like the 50 cents you're charged for every gigabyte of data. That's the gradient. You control x, the amount of data, and y is the final cost. But what if you aren't given the rate? Imagine a water tank with a slow leak. At the start, it has 500 liters. 10 minutes later, it's down to 300. With just those 2 points in time, we can build a model. We can calculate the rate of the leak, the gradient, and confirm the starting amount, creating a precise formula for the volume at any given minute. Now we can predict. We can accurately guess the water level at the 5-minute mark. That's called interpolation, and it's pretty safe. But predicting the level in 3 days, that's extrapolation, and it's risky. The model assumes the leak stays constant, but what if it gets worse? This is the key limitation. A linear model is an approximation. It's great for predicting a child's height at age 7 based on their growth from 3 to 6, but using it to predict their height at age 40 would be ridiculous. People stop growing. The straight line of the model eventually breaks from the curve of reality. The model can also tell us the ending, when the tank will be empty. That's the x-intercept, the point where the process finishes. So linear models are incredibly powerful. They draw a straight line through a messy world, letting us predict outcomes and understand rates of change. We just have to remember they are a simplified snapshot, and the real world rarely stays in a straight line forever.